In 1819, a curious phenomenon puzzled doctors in London. People began sneezing uncontrollably every spring. Dr. John Bostock, a physician, experienced this himself and decided to investigate. He called it summer catarrh, now known as hay fever. Bostock's groundbreaking study revealed that pollen was the culprit. But why did allergies suddenly emerge? Industrialization had increased pollen levels, and people's immune systems were reacting. This discovery led to the development of allergy treatments. Today, millions manage allergies thanks to Bostock's work. Ever wondered how a sneeze could change medical history? Like, comment, and subscribe for more intriguing tales.